Oh, mahigit 10,000 po ang kasalo namin dito at kami po nagagalak na makasalo kayong lahat na nakatutok ngayon sa Active. PBA Sunday. Second game po natin, laban ng Ginebra at Alaska. And it's back with a vengeance sa mga napagbabalik ni Marvelous Marvin Sonsona laban kay Carlos Jacobo ng Mexico sa Back with a Vengeance ngayon October 15, 9 p.m. live from the Hoops Dome sa Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu. Dito lang sa Active on IBC. Yan ang mga pinakamahal na upuan dito. Business class yan. Yan ang tinatawag na business class.
Bakit naging business class yan?
Ha? Aba, kita mo naman yung legroom. Oh, ano? Ha? O kaya, tuwa ang ating Media Bureau Chief. And of course, ang ating Commissioner.
Nalalamigan pa yung paasa sa area.
Of course, Attorney Chito Salud. Ito, lahat yan. Kasama natin itong multitude of fans na nakatutok sa ating Saya nga dito sa Inaros kasi may ano pa sa labas eh. May perya sa labas, may tiyangge, diba? Kaya great time to be here in Antipol. Second quarter na po. At Alaska lamang na 3 as we begin business here. Here's Custodio. So on the floor para sa Ginebra, it's Kagiwa, Wilson, Willie Wilson, Tubid, Cortez, and Villanueva.
Good seal, Willie Wilson. Ran the floor well. Pagkatapos niya tumakbo, sprinted down. After he sprinted down, he sealed right away.
So Barakael called for his first personal foul. Muntik nang nakawala doon. And here comes Custodio. Oops. Cortez saying hindi niya ginalaw yung bola. Referee Jimmy Mariano felt otherwise. Tenorio, Custodio. Shot clock down to 5. Not aware. They were not aware. Doon pa lang sa unang pasa kay Barakael, the shot clock was already down to 1.
And this game, you see the score, it's not a big score because the thing is, both teams really struggled to put the ball in the hoop. Itong Alaska only shooting 37%, while Ginebra 38%. And that continues to be the trend.
Okay, puntahan natin si Jessica Mendoza. Jessica?
Nico, may bago ng hobby itong si Mark Kagiwa. Aside from basketball, he likes to play Xbox. And recently, he decided to take up cooking. Nagpa-practice daw siya magluto sa bahay niya. And last night, he cooked adobo and he said it was very good. Ang next project daw niya, tinola. And I asked him, bakit mo naman naisipang magluto? Sabi niya, well, when I have 5 kids, I have to be able to cook for them. Nico?
So, cooking. And ang pinakauna niya niluto, yung pinakamahirap na luto sa buong cookbook, ang adobo. Wow. Pero, well, better late than never.
Pero pa yung, may adobo mix pa yung ginawa niya.
Kailangan masubukan natin yung luto.
Maganda naman siya.
Ni Mark, diba?
Baka cooking mama lang yung ginawa niya. Mike Cortez right here, Miko. One thing that is nice about Mike Cortez, he's right-handed, but he's an excellent finisher with his left hand. One of those guys that's actually better shooting with his left at the finish that's actually right-handed.
Wow, Custodio really fighting to get that rebound. And a strong move by Mac Barakael.
At saka yung gusto mo when you look at Mac Barakael, ang magugustuhan mo dito is matapang siya. May tapang yung bata eh.
Here's Cortez, open shot. It's good. That's a 3.
Like I said, Mike Cortez is having a very good game here. Did not start this match. Maybe that was a wake-up call for him. Sabi hindi mo isa-start ha. Pakita ko nga kung anong kaya ko.
We're tied at 22 sa mga unang bahagi ng second quarter. What about Mac Barakael? But he missed that time. But very aggressive coming off the bench. Ito na si Kagiwa to Cortez. Cortez goes right. Cortez pasa sa loob. Willie Wilson, 2 fakes. Wilson is fouled.
Willie Wilson is a heavyweight in a featherweight spot. He just goes to the paint. He's much smaller than everyone. Pero pag nandun siya, he's the bully of the block compared to the bigger guys at the post.
I do know na hindi naman lahat ng bully ay nanganguluwagang malaki. Marami yung kilalang bully na maliit pero kinakatakutan. I'm not talking about myself, of course. Ako yung bahagi ng mga natatakot. Nabubuli. Come on. You can attest to that. May mga bully tayo nakilala nung grade school, nung high school. College wala na. Pero grade school, high school
Maliit sila.
Maliit sila pero matapang.
Kadalasan yung mga yan, sa likod nila may kasamang malaki.
Right time by Kablay. And here's Kagiwa. Kagiwa to Cortez. Cortez over the Tubit. Tubit takes Tubit is fouled.
Ginebra being able to get on the break right now and get easy baskets. Earlier kanina, Willie Wilson was able to get 2 free throws because of running the break. Ngayon naman, there was a 3-on-2 situation. Run well by Barangay Ginebra.
Ito sa unang free throw ni Ronald Tubit. Tubit did not start this game, and there's head coach Bethune Shot Tangkidsen back as the head coach para dito sa Ginebra. And a split on the line para kay Ronald Tubit. So 3-point ball game para sa Ginebra, 25-22. Some backward pressure mula kay Cortez and Kagiwa. Here's Custodio. There is. Offensive foul laban kay Custodio. And 2 former UE Red Warriors nagbanggaan dito, Custodio and Tubit.
That's just the experience of Ronald Tubit right there, being able to get that foul mula kay Bonbon Custodio.
3 minutes having gone by dito po sa second quarter. Here's Cortez. Inside. Good pass. Cortez again. Tip in. Wala pa rin. Rebound para kay De La Cruz. Here's LA. Custodio. Sam Eman. And now back to Tenorio. Shot clock down to 9 para sa Alaska. The bagong shot clock for the Aces. And here's LA. He fires. Sabi niya, I know but then I'll take it. But he missed it. And putback is good para kay De La Cruz.
Ton of offensive rebounds nakuha ng Alaska doon, and those offensive rebounds eventually led to points.
One-point ball game para sa Ginebra. And here's Cortez to Villanueva. Dito conniving here in the first half. Paso na yun dito. Nahuli ni De La Cruz. Here comes Bonbon in the open court. Bonbon on the move. Custodio, no! Tubit says, okay, let's relax.
Si Tubit na nagsabi ng let's relax?
Kasi timeout eh. Timeout. 7:44 remaining dito po sa first half. Lamang ng isa, Ginebra. 25-24. Back in a moment. Okay, back inside the Inares Center. Mammoth crowd inside the Inares Center for this game. Okay, mahilig ka ba sa football? At gusto mo bang mapanood at marinig ang inyong opinion sa TV? May mag-audition na sa Lunes, Martes at sa Sabado, 1 to 5 in the afternoon sa address na nakikita nyo sa inyong TV screens. Baka kayo na makakasama namin sa UFL coverage dito sa Active on IBC. Goal natin to. Again, Monday, Tuesday, Saturday, audition na. So patuloy ang ating live coverage of PBA Sunday, laban ng Ginebra at Alaska. So far, dikit ang ating laro. Alaska led by just 3 points at the end of the opening quarter. A good double team on Cortez. Kaya lang out of bounds itong si J.R. Reyes.
It's just so tough for a point guard when you get trapped that way. Tapos yung nagtatrap sa'yo, napakalaking tao. And good trap right there by J.R.
Shot clock down to 4. Tubit, shot clock down to 1. Ito, Takens is saying it's okay. He liked the effort anyway. So ito, didepensa ang Ginebra. It's Tenorio na. Bago pasok si Eric Salamat making his PBA debut as well. Sama si Sonny Toss, J.R. Reyes at Tony De La Cruz. Off balance si J.R. Reyes to De La Cruz. Good effort by J.R. Reyes on the rebound.
You know, Alaska is so much bigger right now than itong Barangay Ginebra.
It's a mismatch for J.R. Reyes.
Yes, it is. But if you're that big, you're going to have to wear that small guy down. Back him down. Don't settle for that fadeaway jump shot.
Tubit for three. I think that there is something parang may hitch mechanically, no, yung tira ni Ronald Tubit. As Sonny Toss attacks. He doesn't look comfortable making that shot.
You know when you struggle kung may isang konferensya or maybe two conferences that you struggle with that outside shot, mararamdaman mo yan. It's all mental because when you look at the release of Ronald Tubit, you look at the spin of the ball, ganda eh.
Here's Helterbrand. Approaching the halfway mark, the second quarter, and a floater by Cortez. Good hustle by Mike Cortez.
And he continues to be active ever since he entered the basketball court.
The new shot clock para sa Ginebra. Canaleta is back in the ball game as well as Mamarin. Tubit, will he try again? Tubit. Humihit. Cortez from the right side. Oh, J.R. is doing an excellent job clearing the boards para sa Alaska.
You have J.R. Reyes, 6 rebounds, Sonny Toss, 5 rebounds. So yung combination ng Twin Towers ng Alaska doing very well.
Oh, bad pass by J.R. Reyes. Here comes Tumire. Nabitawan. Cortez against 3 white shirts. And that's a foul in the backcourt by Mike Cortez. So Mike Cortez will sit down at si Kagiwa babalik.
That Barangay Ginebra will be first to blink because it's been a couple of minutes na walang nakakashoot. Ginebra feels maybe we make some changes right now. Try to get some fresh legs in because pareho silang hindi makakuha ng puntos ngayon.
John Wilson pumasok na rin para sa Ginebra. And here's Sonny. At his move. Sonny 2 attempts. Another rebound para kay J.R. Reyes. Ginebra up by 1. Helterbrand to John Wilson. Amarin, cross court, Helterbrand. Shot clock down to 8. Reaching laban kay Eric Salamat. You know what's strange here? Ito si Baracael babalik. So, Salamat and Baracael, 2 rookies on the floor. Si Pincon pa rin ang kumuha sa kanila at the time of the draft.
But I think with Baracael, when you looked at that draft, yun na yung sitwasyon talaga, yung player na kinailangan nila.
Yung tinatawag, no-brainer.
No-brainer for that team. I think also with Salamat at that second round, I think that was a very good pick as well.
Oh! Kagiwa with 5 points. So 4-point game para sa Ginebra. And Salamat saying thank you. Okay, quiet muna tayo, friends.
That boy is as tough as nails because first time mo maririnig yung ganun kaingay tapos
The thundering roar, and he said, okay, quiet muna. Got his shot by Eric Salamat.
and that's his first shot in the PBA.
He made it. So ito, dalawa lamang ng Ginebra, offensive foul.
See, that's what yun yung maganda dito kay Mac Baracael. Lalaban. He will give that toughness to this Alaska squad.
Baracael not backing down from Billy Mama. You know, Billy is so much bigger than Barakael, so much older, so much stronger. So, technical foul kay Big Mama, Billy Mamaril for second motion. So, ito, kaya nasa free throw line si L.A. Tenorio. May technical foul laban kay Mamaril. So, officially, si Mamaril ang unang PBA player na napikon kay Mac Barakael. That will now be in the record books of the PBA. Salamat. Toss. Back to Salamat. Top of the key shot. And Salamat will miss that time. And well, they're saying last touch laban kay Mamaril. So good effort mula kay Sonny Toss. And Alaska continues to trail by 1 point. Barakael fires. You know, you like about Barakael, he makes that shot, tapos ngingiti pa siya pagkatapos.
Basta naman sumushoot dapat lumingiti ka.
Iba yung ngiti niya.
Ay, may konting ano.
Sakiwa, fires! Rebound, Sonny Toss. Lamang na po ang Alaska dito, 29-28. You know, Alaska, they have gotten two of the toughest rookies in Eric Salamat. As he fires away, at least isa takot tumira. Matapagsan, isa takot tumira. Saka si Mac Barakael. These are two top rookies. Samantala, naagaw. Here's Barakael. Barakael on the move. Barakael, buti na magawan. And he keeps that ball alive para sa Alaska. 1 point game. Kablay. Hounded by Helterbrand. Shot clock down to 9. Kablay for 3. Yes, sir!
3, Brandon Kablay!
The guards of Alaska. Hindi si Cyrus Baguio, it's the other guards. Salamat playing well. There you just see si Brandon Kablay hitting from the outside. Mac Barakael, if you extend it even further, also getting shots from the outside. Alaska now, after a big run by Barangay Ginebra, a good answer with guys that weren't really playing minutes last year or new players for this year.
So Coach Joel Banal, in his very first game as Alaska's head coach, getting a lot of help from a lot of people. At lamang ang Alaska 32-28. Back in a moment. Well, Alaska, ang lamang po dito, 32-28, 2:16 remaining. In the first half, mammoth crowd on hand para mapanood. Ang unang laro ng Alaska, ang unang laro na iba na ang head coach nila for the first time in 22 years.
Coach Joel Banal, actually, it's a pretty good story when you look at these two teams because the head coaches for both teams were coaches that won a championship. Tapos pagkatapos sila manalo ng championship just a number of years later, actually was willing to be an assistant. As we look at Mac Barakael, the 6th overall pick, 26 years old, came from FEU at ang birthplace niya ay Quezon. So going back to that, both coaches won championship, then were willing to be assistant, then waited. Tapos yun, head coach.
It's the waiting thing that is impressive. And this time, down to 2, itong abante ng Alaska, 32-30. And we're down to our last 2 minutes dito sa second quarter. Shot clock down to 9. Kablay, tumira ulit. Nagiwa. Canaleta for 3. Villanueva fighting hard to get the offensive rebound.
Yeah, there's only one of him there. Tapos nakuha niya pa rin yung bola. Good effort on the part of Enrico.
Ginebra still down by 2. Halos isang minuto na lamang natitira dito. And here's Villanueva, pinasa. Labagala overshoots. Rebound, Canaleta.
Defense of Alaska form nababago dahil they're not being able to come out hard on or overextending defensively. And because of that, JC Intal able to get 2 points.
Ital and Enrico Villanueva, part of Joel Banal's champion Ateneo team back in 2002. Under a minute remaining here. Tabla tayo 32. Sunny. Laban kay Enrico. Shot clock down to 5. Good spin. And here's Barakel. Missed it. Tatakbo Ginebra. Labagala. And he steps on the brakes.
Had a chance for a 2-for-1. If he actually went for it early, ball would have had a chance na bumalik sa kanila. Now they're shooting one here and you expect Alaska to get the ball back.
I mean, that's how Mark creates shots.
But Mark creates shots because he feels that he has a mismatch every time.
Every single time.
That time around, ang inisip ni Mark, mas malaki ako sa'yo.
I mean, si Mark, you know, he has all the reasons. Either mas experience siya, mas malaki siya, mas mabilis siya,
Mas mahaba shorts niya.
basta kung ano man ang dahilan. I mean, that is just supreme confidence. And I know you're happy John Wilson is back to his normal here too.
And I'm sure a lot of the PBA fans are as well.
Sobra naman. Ganun ba kalala yung cornrows niya nung opening day? Alright, Tenorio has the ball. Almost ang oras dito po sa first half.
I'd like to see LA attack early and just see how early Ginebra's gonna give that foul. There you go. Because ang daming foul na ibibigay ng Ginebra. There's only 9 seconds left in the game.
In fact, Coach Sean Tunkinson pointing at yung ating mga ilaw dun sa scorer's table, signifying kung ilan ang team foul ng teams ng Ginebra. So, ito 30-second timeout. 9 seconds remaining dito sa first half. What does the score tell you? 34-32. We're almost done dito sa second quarter.
One of the things that it might tell you, Pico, is that both teams are adjusting. Hindi lang naman Alaska nag-a-adjust dahil bago coach sila. Remember, Ginebra is also going through that process. Yes, they're running most of the sets or a portion or merong nandyan pa rin yung shadow ni Coach Joey Chico, and Coach Shot will run a bit of his sets, but both of them are running tweaks of what they were running last year. And that's why you look at the score, mababa ang nakikita natin score ngayon.
In fact, si Art De La Cruz, balik Ginebra din siya. Nine seconds na natitira dito. Bola ng Alaska. Ginebra, wala pa po sa penalty. They can give up fouls here. Barakel. Barakel, tumira. No. And bola na kay John Wilson. 2 seconds to go. And a wild throw by John Wilson. Na magtatapos ang first half. Ginebra lamang po ng dalawa. 34-32. After being down by 3 at the end of the first quarter. Mababa po ang score. Pero hindi po tayo nagkukulang. Sa Tulacan, Panggaan, we had a technical foul earlier. Billy Mamaril na napikon kay Mac Barakel. So it's 34-32 Ginebra, lamang ng dalawa. Low scoring but high intensity, we must add.
Barangay Ginebra and Alaska, both of them had their runs in this match. And Barangay Ginebra, just at the tail end, was able to sneak in another 2 points to be able to get the lead at the turn of our first half.
So ito nga po yung unang laro ni Joel Banal, head coach of Alaska. At ang kanyang rookie, si Mac Barakel, nagpakitang gilas. He is with Jessica Mendoza. Jessica?
Nico, I'm here with Mac. 6 points ka na in your debut game dito sa PBA. Ngayon nakatikim ka na ng laro sa liga na to. Ano yung mas trip mo? Mas enjoy ba maglaro sa Gilas o dito sa PBA?
Mas enjoy ako sa Gilas eh. Dito kasi mas nasa-challenge ako kasi mas physical yung game eh. So mas nasa-challenge ako sa mga kalaban.
Speaking of physical, in-expect mo bang magiging very physical ang Ginebra with you today? Kaya talagang binibigay mo your everything?
Yeah, expect ko na yan kasi nung nag-gets kami sa PBA, nakalaban ng Ginebra, masyado silang physical eh. So yun, expected ko na sa game.
Alright, thanks a lot, Mac. That was Mac Barakel. And now we'll turn it over to Miss Patricia Hizon, ating active center.